Hello, welcome to the UPSC Quick Revision series. Today, we will discuss a very important cornerstone of Indian democracy, delimitation and representation. Delimitation refers to the process of redrawing the boundaries of Lok Sabha and state assembly constituencies. Its main purpose is to uphold the principle of one vote, one value, ensuring that every citizen's vote carries roughly the same weight. So, our agenda for today is as follows. We will understand what delimitation is, how the Delimitation Commission works, why it was frozen, and what challenges lie ahead for the next delimitation exercise. The task of delimitation is carried out by a high-powered body known as the Delimitation Commission. It is appointed by the President of India and works in the collaboration with the Election Commission. The commission includes a retired Supreme Court judge, the Chief Election Commissioner, and the respective state election commissioners. This is a very powerful body. Its order have the force of law and cannot be challenged in any court. So far, delimitation commissions have been constituted 4 times in 1952, 1963, 1973 and 2002. The process of delimitation is quite systematic. It begins by determining the number and boundaries of constituencies based on the latest census data. The aim is to ensure that all constituencies within a state have a roughly equal population. It also reserved seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in areas where their population is concentrated. The Commission then publishes its draft proposals and holds public hearings, allowing citizens and political parties to share objections and suggestions. Only after considering all inputs, it issues the final order. Now comes a crucial turning point. In 1976, through the 42nd Amendment, the total number of seats in the Lok Sabha and the state assemblies was frozen based on the 1971 census effective until the year 2000. The objective was to ensure that states successfully implementing family planning were not penalized with reduced political representation. Later, in 2002, the 84th Amendment extended this freeze until the first census taken after the year 2026. This means that the allocation of Lok Sabha seats among states is still based on the 1971 census. So if the number of seats was frozen, what exactly did the 2002 Delimitation Commission do? The 84 and 87 amendments allowed the redrawing of constituency boundaries within states based on the 2001 census without changing the total number of seats. For example, Uttar Pradesh still has 80 Lok Sabha seats, but their boundaries were readjusted according to the 2001 population data. The number and distribution of reserved seats for SCs and STs were also redefined in this process. Looking ahead, the next major delimitation exercise will likely take place after 2026 based on the 2031 census. This could mark a significant political shift in India. The biggest challenge here is the North-South divide. Over the past few decades, southern states have effectively controlled their population, while northern states have seen faster population growth. If the one vote, one value principle is applied strictly, northern states could gain more representation in parliament, while southern states may lose seats, posing a serious challenge to India's federal balance. And that wraps up today's discussion on delimitation and representation. Now, let's test your understanding with some practice questions. Share in the comments which topic you want next and keep watching the UPSC Quick Revision series.